Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about Microsoft Cloud Adaption Framework. It's a full life cycle framework that enables cloud architects, IT professional and business decision maker to achieve their cloud adaptation goals. It also provides tools, documentation, best practice that helps you to create and implement the business and technology strategies for cloud. Each methodology listed below is a broad lifecycle process, how it supports your business on each phase of your cloud adoption journey. By using cloud-based approach, you can achieve and improve business agility and reduce cost and accelerate your business to time to market and expand your business into new market. Start documenting your business strategy in a way that it can be understandable to your cloud technicians and to your business stakeholders. Number one is a motivation. You need to engage the both stakeholders and executive to see what is the business outcome and benefits that we are going to achieve out of this cloud adoption journey, and what is the financial consideration, what is the investment plan, and what is the business case that can fit for this cloud adoption, and the technical capability to build the business case. Always the first question will be why we are moving to cloud. This is a common question for both business and technical stakeholders. Sometimes answer will be our board of directors told us to move to cloud. So this kind of answer will not help your business to grow. These are the key critical business events which are the triggering factor for cloud adoption. Example is a data center exit, and they want to reduce the capital expenses in an on-prem environment, and there may be an end of support which may end up in a business loss. So they want to scale the environment to larger market. The main triggering factor will be regulatory compliance and data compliance process when business expanding towards a larger market. So the next triggering factor is migration. So business want to see a real cost saving, and they want to reduce vendor and technical complexity, and also optimize operations. The main focus is to prepare a new technical capability and scale towards new market demands across the globe. So innovation is yet another triggering factor for this motivation. Business keeps seeking about the new product and the new enhancement for their applications. They want to scale this business towards a larger market across the globe, and they want to see how customer are consuming the applications and how it's adding value to the business. The second strategy is about business outcome. The most successful transformation journey starts with a business outcome in mind actually. The cloud adoption can be a costlier and time consuming effort, but forecasting at the right level of support from IT and other business areas is crucial for the success. So business always will be focused on the revenue model, whether more money will come into the business based on the good sales and services, and also cost. So business is spending less cost and gaining more profit. The market is changing at a faster pace today than even before. So quick adaptation of market change can help business to claim more market share from the existing competitors. Business has to think about how reliable the cloud is, and how the disaster recovery works across the globe. So those are the important and key factors for the real business outcome. Next topic is about financial consideration. The business has to know about how the pricing model works in cloud. So one of the key benefit is business is moving towards a capex model to opex model. Here cloud always allow you to take an advantage of variable cost model instead of having a fixed cost model. So we can reduce the data center footprint by adapting cloud, and we can migrate all our workloads towards cloud. And also by adapting a cloud, you can increase the productivity by adapting tools like DevOps. Cloud adaptation can reduce the carbon emission, carbon footprint, and another is chargeback. You can charge back to the existing business team as part of the consumption model. That helps to improve the business and where the spending is going around. I think we can have a strong governance model as well on this. So technical consideration is another strategy which need to be documented properly. So how we can use a DevOps and a process in cloud to improve the business. how we can scale up and scale down to the market demands, and how we can pick the right tool sets to govern the cloud services products, and how we can secure it, and what kind of cost savings that we can make, and what kind of automations, and how we can reduce the overall cost and running a business, and how we can improve the customer satisfaction. These are all the key technical factors which need to be considered for before adapting the cloud journey. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.